Okay, guys, we're going to go to Ask Scruff, and this one's for Huey. Little salute to you. It is something I've touched on before, as he outlines at the start of the question. But here we go. Hey, Scruff. I'm sure you may have covered this already before. I've covered this many times, and if you go on the channel and look for tax, this is where you'll find the answers. As I'm in the UK and full-time employment, spread betting seems attractive due to tax benefits. Any thoughts, and is there any downsides? Okay, so if you're in the UK, you've got access to either CFD trading or spread betting. Now, the difference between them when you're trading and you're looking at spreads and things like that is pretty minimal. You know, it's next to no difference at all. The difference between them is the tax incentives. Spread betting falls under a gambling banner and is therefore deemed non-taxable. So the brokers that are involved with it, they get paid through the round trip on the spread. That's it. That's how they're paid. So there's no commissions or anything like that. So there's no downside to it. You just trade as normal. You don't have to worry about anything. You get your drawdown at the end of the month and take out whatever money you're owed, and it's yours. So for me, there is no downside to spread betting at all if you're working. It's the way to go. I run spread bets myself simply for the tax incentives. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.